Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Mounja Pure Drops. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a supplement that helps with your strength and natural keto and is a liquid formula. So it can help with your lifestyle and fitness goals, and it is basically an oil that you just drop in to help with your weight and fat loss. So before we get into the review, a lot of people have been messaging me. You guys have been messaging me, and since I can't review every product that you guys send me, I created a guide that teaches you how to do this research yourself. So you can check the link of check the description down below for the link. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see, guys, right here we have it pulled up here on Amazon, and there are no reviews for this website. I mean this company and this product, and since it's not very famous yet, so that is a bit of a red flag. And actually saw this post on Trustpilot and see that they are rated 1.2 out of 5 stars. So as you can see, scam, do not buy, I have no weight loss at all, does nothing. I thought it was just me doing something wrong. Don't fall for this. I bought 6 bottles, didn't work. Like so many, I was scammed, do not buy, complete scam, product doesn't work, and a lot more. So please guys, do not order from them. They're a complete scam, and they do not work, and do not expect this to be a miracle product, and there's no such thing, and weight loss comes directly from your diet and not something like this. So that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.